Hello, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all fine. Today I am going to show you DAWFit application features. This application available in Play Store. I will share you the link in description. This is the main page of this application. While you open the screen, first you will get the steps. Okay, how many steps you run and then walk and everything will come on the screen. And then second option, heart rate, continuous heart rate, BP, blood oxygen level, outdoor running. These are all the main screens. You will get it on that. First we will check one by one from the top. Okay, first option is steps. While selecting the steps, okay, this is a steps count. Today 76 steps I have already made. Okay, if you want to check the old previous records, okay, yesterday's step count and then day before yesterday's step counts and everything from that. Okay, this is, we have to select top right hand side one button option there, no, record. Select the report and then you can get it from the calendar wise. Okay, December, January. Okay, it's showing it. Actually I purchased this watch on 18th. From that day only I have the record. See, yesterday I have walked around steps around 1192. Yesterday my walking will be a more. And then second option, sleep mode. In sleep there will be two options. If you wear the watch, it will get automatically recorded your sleep. Okay, deep sleep, mild sleep. So after selecting it, see that restful is a deep sleep, light and then rapid eye movement and then have awake. In between if you awake, no, it will also get calculated how many hours you awaked, how many hours you taken a light sleep, how many hours you are in the deep sleep, rapid eye movement, your eye movement, or not in the deep sleep, and everything will be shown here. And then while scroll down, you will get that average sleep and then heart rate, and then see that here who are using the DAWFit application, no, it will check the records. Began 73% of the people sleep early compared to me. 73% of the people who using the DAWFit application, they are sleeping early. It also showing the information. And then below one, began 35% of the people get up early. Before me they're getting early, they're waking up early. And then the last one, began 51% of the people sleep less. That means compared to me, 58% of the people sleeping less. And then another option is heart rate. In heart rate, you will get heart rate, continuous heart rate of your health. Okay, it will check continuous every 1 hour once. That sensor no automatically starts and checks your heart rate. It will show you the real time data in this. That is the heart rate. If you selecting that report option on the top right hand side, after selecting it, your continuous heart rate and those details and all, it will reflect. There will be an option to select continuous heart rate monitor. After selecting it, you will get the last 7 time trends. Okay, continuous 72, 68, 73, showing my heart rate record. That watch will continuously check your heart rate and then alert you if your heart rate having the high rate, low rate and everything. Check the heart rate. Today I wear just few hours. That's what it's showing. It has automatically checked 2 times. And then yesterday's, and then heart rate monitor. While after selecting the report, you came to know how many days the record it is keeping in that application. Okay, if you select the date, it's showing the heart rate, average heart rate for the day 169, 13th, 80 and 14th, like 14th 74, 15, 16, like that. If you're selecting, it will show the average heart rate per the day. And then next option called BP. BP means everyone knows that's a blood pressure. Blood pressure, it will measure the blood pressure and then it will show you. Blood pressure, it won't check automatically. Whenever if you click the blood pressure, uh, select measure, then only it will check measure your blood pressure. See the records what I am having in this. Now the record will not check automatically. Whenever if you select measure only it will check. Normal blood pressure of the adult is from 90 to 120 140. Okay, 140 is a normal range. See the date 120 120 122 102, and then like this I am getting it. Next is blood oxygen level. Blood oxygen level SpO2, they will call in the SpO2. In SpO2 reader, okay, you can get it from the medical store. It will cost around from 1000 rupees to 5000 rupees. This watch just 1800 rupees. I already compared that SpO2 level in that medical SpO2, both readings almost matching it. Understanding the oxygen saturation data. There are mentioned some information about the SpO2 blood oxygen levels. Normal blood oxygen level should be 96 to 99. See my records, it's everything to 96, 97, 99, one day 98, rest everything 90, in that range only, 96 to 99. During the pandemic COVID, okay, blood oxygen level should be checked whenever we got affected with a cold cough. Okay, we're checking the blood oxygen level, it will be. That's it from the main page. From the top page, steps, sleep, heart rate, continuous heart rate monitor, BP. Now we will move to the middle page, GTS connected, and then battery percentage, watch spaces, notification, alarm, shutter, other, and upgrade. These are all the options we will get it on the middle page. Watch space I will show you on the last. Now we will go to that one by one from that upgrade from bottom to middle. Okay, first we will check that upgrade option. We will upgrade the firmware, your watch firmware. Watch firmware means the software. Okay, sometimes that software upgrade will notification will come, right? If software notification comes, we can upgrade the software via these applications. We can't direct update from on the phone, right? For that only they are given this option. Next option is other. In other, it's a very important and good feature in this. Other option, we can select the find my device. If you select the find my device, for example, if you missed the watch somewhere around your place, okay, if you select the find my device, the watch will vibrate continuously with the sound, you can get it. And another option, don't disturb, start time and then end time. Whenever I will go for the sleep at 9 o'clock and then wake up time at 6 a.m. So during this time the watch will, I requested watch to don't disturb me during this time. Okay, that is considered we can enable on that don't disturb. Unit system I mentioned as Imperial. Time forward 12-hour format I'm using, so that's what I mentioned as 12-hour format. And then this reminder to move, that also one good option, reminder to move. For example, if you're sitting in the same place, okay, more than an hour, the watch will notify you, please move around. Please move around means you are sitting in the same place more than an hour, not good for your health, so it will send you a reminder, move around. Continuous heart rate reduction, if you enabled only, the watch will read your heart rate continuously. And then after selecting, you can able to select a language, reset, quick view, valid period, and then drink water reminder. Drink water reminder, it also give you the send you the reminder to drink your water. I have mentioned drink water level during drinking time 8, drinking interval 1 hour. Weather forecast, I selected Celsius, and then city I selected Bangalore because I am located in the Bangalore. This is the weather forecast. These are other details in this. You can select the city here, Chennai. If you are in the Chennai, select Chennai. It will get changed Chennai. It will show you the Chennai weather status. And then I am keeping a Bangalore. Why? Because I am in the Bangalore. So I am changing the city code to the Bangalore. Okay, that's it guys. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe, comment, share to your friends. Bye bye.